Kotak Securities Limited is a stockbroker, an online stock trading company, a subsidiary of Kotak Mahindra Bank. It was founded in 1994 and is headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Kotak Securities offers a wide range of financial products and services. The company also has a presence in international markets such as Dubai, Singapore, London, and New York. The financial and investment services of Kotak Securities include stock trading, mutual funds, commodities or currencies, ETFs, wealth management, and insurance or loan products and plans. Additional services are tax-free bonds, IPOs, small case, sovereign gold bonds, and non-convertible debentures. Have complaints about Kotak Securities? Register your complaint online, or simply call the toll-free customer care number, email, or chat with executives. Not resolved. Escalate the disputed matter to the head of customer care at Kotak Securities. Report the issues related to depository services. Concerns regarding Kotak Securities depository services, including the opening of a demat account and other fund management services. Equity trading. Problems with executing buy and sell orders for shares on BSE and NSE through the Kotak Securities platform. Derivatives trading. Support for trading in futures, options, and currency derivatives. MCX. Multi-commodity exchange investment in commodities like bullion, metals, energy, and agriculture on MCX and NCDEX. Mutual funds. Complaints about mutual fund schemes, including equity, hybrid, tax saving, and debt funds, along with concerns about mutual fund transactions, buying, selling, and switching funds. Wealth management. Disputes of high net worth individuals, HNI, and institutional clients, including portfolio management, financial planning, and tax planning services. Digital investing. Complaints related to Kotak Securities online investing platform, such as Kotak Neo, Nest, Kotak Wave, and Neo Trade API for convenient and secure online trading and investments. Investment. Issues related to SIPs, IPOs, bonds, NCDs, non-convertible debentures, and corporate FDs, fixed deposits, including ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Others. Concerns of investing and trading ideas, financial tools and calculators, tax solutions, robot advisors, and small cases, baskets of stocks, including NASDAQ-listed US stocks, or global trading. Dissatisfied with the resolution, or unresolved. You can escalate the complaint to the compliance officer at Kotak Securities. For higher-level intervention and resolution, escalate the matter to the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, of Kotak Securities Limited. How to file a complaint of Kotak Securities? According to Kotak Securities, grievance redressal policy is divided into 3 levels. Initially, customers can approach the customer service department to resolve the dispute. If not satisfied, escalate the matter to the next level of authority for further resolution. Grievance redressal mechanism. Registration fee. No charges. 0 Indian rupees. Resolution period. Up to 30 days. Read the investor policies of Kotak Securities. Refund period. Within 7 to 15 business days. Read the refund and compensation policy. Levels of complaint escalation. Level 1, Customer Care, Kotak Securities. Toll-free customer service number. Email or WhatsApp. Register a complaint online. Kotak Securities, a Neo app. Level 2, escalate the complaint to the head of customer care at Kotak Securities. Level 3, escalate the disputed matter to the compliance officer and CEO of Kotak Securities Limited. Not resolved even after escalation. File a grievance with regulatory authorities like SEBI and relevant exchanges, CDSL or NSDL, NSE or BSE, for further investigation. In cases of disagreement, initiate arbitration with Kotak Securities or the institution via the Smart Online Disputes Resolution (ODR) platform designed for investors, listed companies, and institutions. Please note, if you have unresolved disputes regarding loans and financial services from Kotak Securities, file a complaint with the Banking Ombudsman at the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Level 1, Customer Care, Kotak Securities. To resolve concerns with Kotak Securities, initiate a complaint with the customer support executives through the toll-free helpline number, email, or online complaint registration. Report issues related to account openings, trading, call and trade, funds, investments, and emergencies such as account blocking, unauthorized transactions, or payments. Provide these necessary details. Customer or client ID for existing clients. Order ID if applicable. Nature of complaint. Description, attaching relevant supporting documents such as bills, contract notes, e-invoice, or screenshots. Contact details of Kotak Securities Customer Service. Kotak Securities Complaint Number 1-800-209-9393, 1-800-209-9191. Email, ks.escalation@kotak.com, service.securities@kotak.com. WhatsApp, +917738988888. Complain online to Kotak Securities. File a complaint. Report cyber attack. Call the cyber helpline number 1-800-209-9595 or email the cybersecurity department at ks.ccd@kotak.com with bugs, vulnerabilities, and cybersecurity threats. Call and trade. For the call and trade services, you may call at 1-800-209-9191. Tip: beware of scams. Don't share bank or personal details. Use only the official Kotak Securities or Neo app for help. Stay safe. Please note that if you have complaints about Kotak Securities violating consumer rights, file a complaint with the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, of the Department of Consumer Affairs, MOCA, for compensation and resolution. Level 2, Head of Customer Care, Kotak Securities. As per the resolution mechanism, if your initial complaint with Kotak Securities is unresolved even after the expiry of the resolution period, usually 3 to 7 days, at Level 1, escalate the complaint to the designated Head of Customer Care, SCC, at Level 2. With the ticket number from the previous complaint, contact the officer. Call the CC head at +912242858208. Escalate the complaint by email at ks.servicehead@kotak.com with the ticket number. Level 3, Compliance Officer, Kotak Securities. For unresolved complaints related to stock and trading, DP, pension funds, and SEBA-regulated investment services not resolved at Level 2, Kotak Securities has a designated compliance officer to handle these matters. When submitting a grievance to the compliance officer, include ticket, a reference number of the previous Level 2 complaint, client, a customer ID, nature of the complaint, expected relief and reasons for dissatisfaction. Attach relevant documents and evidence like e-invoices, contract notes, screenshots, or any other proof. 1. Compliance Officer, Kotak Securities. Escalate the complaints that are not resolved to your expectation at Level 2 by sending a complaint letter to the Compliance Officer at Kotak Securities. Designation: Compliance Officer, Kotak Securities. Phone number: +912242858484. Email: ks.compliance@kotak.com. Address: Compliance Officer, Kotak Securities Limited, Kotak Towers, 8th floor, Building Number 21, Infinity Park, off Western Express Highway, Malad, East, Mumbai, Maharashtra 400097. 2. CEO, Kotak Securities. If the complaint remains unresolved after contacting the compliance officer at level 3, then escalate the grievance to the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, at Kotak Securities Limited by emailing or calling at. Call the CEO by dialing the phone number +9 12242858301. Email your concerns to ceo.ks@kotak.com with the ticket acknowledgement ID of the previously escalated complaint at level 3. Still not resolved to your satisfaction by Kotak Securities. Approach the respective regulatory authorities. Regulatory authorities. If your complaints related to investments, securities, brokers, or Kotak Securities trading platform are not resolved within 30 days, escalate the disputed matter to the relevant regulatory authorities. 1. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. File a complaint to SEBI scores. 2. Respective stock exchanges. For equity and currency trading, National Stock Exchange, NSE, and Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. For commodities and metals trading, Multi-Commodity Exchange of India Limited, MCX. 3. Depository services. For issues like demand accounts, equity repository, ownership, and share transfers, approach the Central Depository Services, India, Limited, CDSL, and National Securities Depository Limited, NSDL. 4. Other regulatory authorities for financial disputes. For National Pension Scheme, NPS, grievances, file a complaint with Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA. For insurance disputes, file a complaint with the Insurance Ombudsman, IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. For seeking compensation due to a violation of consumer rights, appeal to the Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC, Consumer Forum. Note: if dissatisfied with regulatory resolutions, initiate arbitration with Kotak Securities investors or institutions using the Smart Online Disputes Resolution (Smart ODR) platform at smartodr.in. Still dissatisfied after final orders of appellate authorities, you may seek legal advice from a legal expert before taking legal action. Further, you may approach judicial bodies or relevant tribunals like the Securities Appellate Tribunal for further review and resolution.